Hey! In front of me is Motorola EDGE 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Motorola. First of all, you need to locate Clock app and click on it. After that, select Alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and create your own by choosing this plus icon. Finally, set up an hour and click on OK. Then you need to pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Now you can click on Add Label over here, create your label and save it by choosing OK. Then you can disable or enable vibrations by tapping on this icon next to Vibrate. And also add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine by tapping on this one. Then click on Default and tap on one of those sources, or choose Dismiss and click on Add New. After that, click on Music from your smartphone in order to set it up. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and pick one of those. For example, Buzzer Alarm. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. In order to disable it, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, select Delete at the bottom left corner. In order to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and manage all of them however you wish though. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!